Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out the Thailand Digital Arrival Card step by step. If you're traveling to Thailand anytime after May 1st, this is important. If you're not a Thai citizen, you need to complete this digital form before you arrive. And whether you enter by air, land, or sea, if you show up without it, you won't get through immigration. So this quick guide helps you avoid mistakes and saves time at the airport. Alright, let's start. So first, go to the official Thailand Digital Arrival Card website. The link is in the description. On the home page, click Arrival Card to submit a new form. If you already submitted and need to change details like your flight or hotel later, use Update Arrival Card. So fill in your personal details here, like everything exactly like your passport. So such as name, passport number, nationality, date of birth, gender, occupation, visa number. For visa number, leave it blank if you're visa free or visa on arrival. Country of residence, city or state, phone number, then click continue. So for trip details, select your arrival date. You can apply within the next 72 hours. Enter the country you're coming from, purpose of travel, mode of travel, then flight number if you're flying. Add your first night accommodation details like province, district, postal code, full address, then click continue. List the countries that you stayed in during the last 14 days. Include layovers only if they were over 12 hours. If the system asks for a yellow fever certificate, follow the upload steps, then click preview. Now, double check your info, enter your email, agree to the terms, and click submit. You'll get an information like an email with your arrival card and save it on your phone or print it for immigration. If you need changes later, use Update Arrival Card, but remember, you can't edit passport details after submitting. So thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.